Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the part of the world we're watching. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This year, I've not released any video this year, I've not released any video this year, but this year, I'm starting this year with just a very good opportunity, good thing for you to learn about building a website as a professional. If you want to have a professional website, if you don't have coding experience, you don't have money, and then in the free websites, we just spend a little bit of money for you to build this website. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that this year. On this channel, we talk about finance, branding, we talk about self-development, and also investment opportunities in the country and everywhere in the world. Uh, let's get into the video of today. So the name of this website is Durable AI website. The Durable AI website, if you want to build this website, is very easy. You have to just input the things you need, name of your business, the type of business you do, the color you want for your business, your logo, and everything. You put it on this AI website, which is Durable AI website, and then it's going to create a professional website for you, and you'll be wowed. We're gonna get in the video. I'll be recording my phone screen and I'll be showing you step by step on how to do this. Very easy and very easily achievable. Nobody that can do this. You don't have to have a coding experience or any experience on building a website. It's much easy. It's pretty easy and it's a very quick way for you to achieving your professional website in 2025.
So here we are the durable website. This website is how it looks like. You can see it and then just throw into the website for you to see how it look like. So durable can give you anything. All you need is just to click on generate your website, which I've done now. This AI website. It's asking me what's my business name here, and then I'm trying to put it. So that's what I'm doing here. After inputting a business name, you can actually just click on continue and it will take some time to generate website. So uh, I'm trying to write the things about the business. You can change the fonts, you can change the listen, what's your business name again? It's asking me again. You can change the font, you can change the color size, you can change the lettering, you can change the if you can change the write up. It will generate the write up, generate pictures for a business, generate aesthetic, anything you want for a business it to generate, but you can actually change them so you can edit them. Like the way you edit Shopify, like the way you edit Canva, just like Canvas, you can edit what you have on it. So it has created a website for me here. So there's a picture, so you can see how it is. It's this is the picture on this ad website. Just the write-ups about the business. Um, you can see. I want to edit here. I go to editing it here. So I'm trying to change track it. So it's telling me I should sign up with my email. So this is my email. I'm writing my email. It's very easy, pretty easy. Just put your email, create a login details like login password, and you sign up for it, and then that's all. And you write about your business. If it's a fashion business, you write about it. You write name. The website has been published right now. It was writing generating before now it has been published. You see, you can see you can customize it. You can change the font pack. You can change you can customize it to any taste you want. You can see the lettering, you can change the lettering, you can change the font, you can change the colors, you can check the pictures there, put your own picture. It's pretty easy, just you see, you can change the write up, edit the write up to yours. Pretty easy, just very easy to be designed within 15 20 minutes. If you're a good designer, you're good at designing Canva before this is just easy peasy for you. Okay, tone up the voice. You can put an inspirational voice. You can put casual. You can put professional. You can change the tone of the voice. You can change it to a woman. You can change the man. You can change the pictures. Whatever you want to change on it, you can change it. So go on right on this website, durable website, durable AI website, and also try.
Thank you for the journey so far. We are above 8,000 subscribers, 1,200 plus right now. If you're just watching the video new on my channel, kindly subscribe. If you want to learn about branding, learn about investment, learn about several gains and also finances, how to keep your savings and build your savings, build your investment portfolio in the country and also anywhere part of the world. Kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment your challenges and what you would like to learn. And listen, I'll be looking forward to sharing my experience this year with you, walk you through how to get this done easily. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.